Okay? All your Trigo graph can be generalized into this form. Alright? Either y equal to a sine bx plus c, or y equal to a cosine bx plus c. Okay, what exactly is this a, b, and c? Now I'm going to tell you the definition. A stands for the amplitude, meaning how high and how low it will go. Later I'll give some illustration. B tells you the number of complete cycles. In 360 degrees. Alright, you must remember 360 degrees, how many radian is it? 2 pi. Alright, so as a start, I'll just use degree, I will not use pi or radian. C means you either shift the graph up or down. How do you know whether the graph is shifting up or down? Since this is a plus C. Make a guess.
Wavelength.
This wavefront.
Hello, you did this in your curve sketching previously as well when you do modular.
Oh.
How do you know the graph have to shift up, or when does the graph need to shift down? What will determine up and what will determine down? Y-intercept is not about the y-intercept. This value of C, if it's positive, it will move up. If the value of C is negative, it will move down. Alright? I'll just say it's just up down to make it simple. Okay, this is the theory behind how the graph looks like. Now I'll give you a simple example. Melody, are you looking at God?
God, no, God.
Oh, the God is up there, not down there. Okay, I'm going to use one example now. I want to sketch this curve. Don't do anything yet now, later then I'll tell you what. So I want to sketch this curve. Okay, so I'll follow in this manner. Can you tell me what is the value of A over here? 2. So 2 will tell me, oh, the highest point is 2. The lowest point is negative 2. Later I'll show you what. What is the value of B over here? 1. Oh, what does 1 tells me? One complete cycle in 360 degrees. So you must identify your A, B, C first. Is there any value for C? No, it's just plus 0. That's the best. If you don't have plus 1, the questions are usually easier. So now, how do we sketch? Very simple. So usually, I will have to draw my axis. Alright, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Yesterday I told you, every 360 degrees, how many parts do we divide into? 4 equal parts. Okay, today I'm not going to write everything in full. 4 equal parts. Now, I need you to draw on a full sketch paper or your Math A1, A2, whatever you bring your notebook. Okay, how to draw is a skill also. Yes.
The amplitude is the y-axis.
Yes, later. How to draw? Please make sure you use your margin. Cannot see what you want me to do? So, next time don't sit there. Adjust. See? Can still see or not? What, you think so? You cannot stand up and see ah? Okay, what I want you to do is make use of your margin. Don't go and just anyhow draw. Notice your margin are usually in blue color. Am I right? It's not exactly 1 cm, but it doesn't really matter. You don't want the graph to be too small, Neither do you want the graph to be too big because it will be very difficult for you to draw. So what I want you to draw is draw the margin, draw this first. And every 1.5 cm is one interval. Every 1.5 cm is one interval. So total you need 6 cm for the x-axis. From 0 to 360. Can we do that now? I'm going to give you 30 seconds just to draw these two black lines with the units from 0 to 360. Of course, you want to put in 90, 270. Please go ahead. This is a sine graph. Huh? Okay, I don't want to wait too long because the video is running. I don't want the people at home to wait very long. Now, very simple, I need to draw one complete cycle in 360. But unlike yesterday, our amplitude was 1. What is the amplitude over here? 2. Meaning I need to mark 2 as the highest point. I don't use the first margin because the graph will be too small, very difficult to draw. I use the second margin. If this is 2, I must use 2 margin below. What would the unit down here be? Negative 2. Everything in pencil up for drawing. I just said 2 margin. I even draw the dotted line out. Okay, x-axis, every interval 1.5 cm because 1 cm is too narrow. Now, can you pause a bit and see how I draw? Okay, based on your graph yesterday, if you cannot, you can turn to one page before that. Our sine graph will always start from 0. You don't believe, you press the calculator. Sine 0 degree is 0. So this is exactly what I want you to do. Can you all take a look first? It's either you use your pen or if your pencil, the lead is dark enough, please put a dot. So I'm going to put a dot using red color. Then I go to the next interval, 90 degrees. Don't know, you can press calculator. Can you press sine 90? 0 个屁啦. 1. But I'm not going to go to 1. Why? Our graph is not sine x. Our graph is 2 sine x. That is why the next one will go to the maximum point here already. Put a dot. Vertically on top. Once it goes on top, the next thing must, actually the pattern is like that one. From 0 will go maximum. After maximum will go back to 0. Don't believe you can press the calculator. After you go back to 0, what is the next point? Most of you all know already. The next interval will be negative 2. After you go to the lowest point, you must go back to 0 again. It's very important to put all these dots out, drawn to scale. After that, I'm supposed to join them together. So now, very simple, I join them together. And label it y equal to 2 sine x. Okay? This one graph like that is only awarded 1 mark. You stop already.
Happy New Year.